Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing fine. Today I will fly my drone in Parkano town to show you how Parkano is beautiful city from the sky. There are only 6,500 inhabitants in Parkano. It's located in Parkano region. It's very tiny and very beautiful city in Finland. If you ever guys pass by Parkano, don't forget to take a coffee break in Parkano. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell on so that you get notification for all beautiful drone videos. Thank you.